In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on eBay. Whether you're shopping late at night or you simply prefer a darker interface, this tutorial will guide you through the process of transforming the standard eBay background into a more eye-friendly version using the Night Eye extension. This can be especially helpful when spending extended periods browsing on eBay, as it reduces eye strain and creates a comfortable viewing environment. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. If you're unfamiliar or new to extensions, Google is a user-friendly platform to find what you need. Once you're on Google, type in Night Eye extension to search for the tool we're going to use. Night Eye is a highly regarded extension known for its capability to convert any website's appearance into dark mode, including eBay. When you type in Night Eye extension, you should see a number of search results pop up. Next, look through the results and click on the one that leads to dark mode, Night Eye Chrome Web Store. This link will direct you to the Chrome Web Store where you can easily add browser extensions. While there, you'll notice an Add to Chrome button, which you should click to begin the installation process. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation and grant the permissions needed for it to work effectively. The process is quick and straightforward, and once completed, the extension will be ready to use. Now that Night Eye is installed, it's time to test it out. Head over to eBay by typing ebay.com into your browser. With Night Eye active, you should immediately notice the transformation. The white backgrounds traditionally seen on eBay will switch to shades of black and gray, creating a sleek, dark mode experience which not only looks great, but can also be easier on the eyes. This transition should be seamless and happens automatically once Night Eye is enabled. Finally, if you ever wish to switch back to the regular light mode or make any adjustments, you can do so by managing the extension. Click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar, find Night Eye, and from there you have options to toggle between dark mode and normal mode, as well as explore other settings to customize your browsing experience further. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to enable dark mode on eBay. It's a perfect solution for those late night shopping sprees or simply for anyone who prefers a darker scheme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech and lifestyle tips. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new dark mode eBay browsing experience.